How to log in into Crunchyroll account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Crunchyroll account. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button for app hacks and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is you will need to open up Crunchyroll. To do that, you can either go to a web browser or simply open up the Crunchyroll app. I will be using Safari, so simply search for Crunchyroll and then head over to its website. After you're on Crunchyroll's website, tap on the top right corner and you will see different options. If you do not have an account, tap on create account to simply join for free. And after you create an account, tap on login to log into your account. So tap on login. Now all you need to do is enter your email number, email account or phone number. Tap on next and type in your password and then log in into your account. It's that simple. So yeah, that is how you can log in into your Crunchyroll account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.